Hi everyone, it's Valerie Sheridan with Easy Peasy Living. Thank you for joining me again for some more Wednesday wisdom, and we are now entering the second half of our 12-week Good Habits Challenge. Yes, last week we finished week number 6, and if you did not catch that one, I really encourage you to go back and watch it because it is pretty key to having a more orderly life. Week number 7 this week is going to follow kind of on the heels of that. We talked about putting things away last week, putting them away as soon as you're done with that. Well, this week I want to focus on doing the dishes, and not just doing them, but basically, and not just the dishes either, but basically this is doing your meal cleanup as soon as you finish your meal. Don't let your dishes pile up. Don't let them get all crusty and gross and nasty and have everything out in your kitchen for hours on end or days on end afterwards. That is not conducive to creating a more orderly environment. So I would encourage you, first of all, to clean up the kitchen as you go. As you're preparing your meal, put all your ingredients back as soon as you're finished with them. Put whatever dishes you used in the preparation in the dishwasher before you actually take your food to the table and eat it if you can. It just makes the cleanup a little less of a dreary task to tackle after you have consumed your meal and you're sitting there with a full tummy, not really wanting to do anything. But honestly, guys, putting the meal away, putting everything, put the leftovers away, wipe down the countertop, rinse out the sink, put your dishes away in the dishwasher or wash them, put all of the ingredients away. It will definitely make you feel better the next time you walk into the kitchen to prepare the next meal, if you're not having to navigate around all of that mess from the time before. So I hope that you guys will give this a try, and if you have any questions or need suggestions, please feel free to email me anytime at valerie@easypeasyliving.com. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the additional habits in our Good Habits Challenge or any of the additional free advice to follow in the weeks after that. Until next week, keep it easy peasy.